Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Valuation. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. We can move to the instruction file. So assignment title is the EXP20 to Excel chapter 8's cumulative real estate valuation. We move to the project step. So step number one is the start Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel chapter 8 cumulative valuations. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is ensure the sale data worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of the square footage of homes located in a column C and place your result in the range H4 to H11. Go to the sale data worksheet is active. Select the sale data worksheet is active and then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of the square home located in a column C. So select the cell is H4, cell is H4 and insert the frequency function to located column is the column C. Insert the frequency function, type is equal to type the frequency function. So frequency function distribution of the square footage of homes located in a column C and range is H4 to H11. So insert the frequency function and data array is the C4 to C30. Now comma and select the cell is G4 and G4 to G11. The range is G4 to G11, close bracket, press enter button. So the result is 063 and any other. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter a function in a cell J4 to calculate the standard deviation of the current home values. Insert the stat function in a cell J4 and calculate the standard deviation and current home value. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is J4 and insert the stat function. Type is equal to type the stat function and so standard deviation of the current home value. Select the column is current value E4 to E30. So select the range is E4 to E30 close bracket, press enter button. So the result is 10, 72 and 62.51 and 31. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is enter the function in the cell J7 to calculate the variance of the currents is the home value. Insert the variance function in the cell J7 and the range is the home value. Go to the Excel spreadsheet and select the cell J7. Type is equal to type the variance function. Type the variance function and calculate the variance of the current's home value. So the range is current value E4 to E30. Close bracket, press enter button. So the variance result. Question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is enter a function in the cell J10 to calculate the covariance between square footage column C and then current home value column E. So insert the function is covariance function in the cell J10 column C and then current home value column E. In the cell J10, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is J10. Type is equal to and type the covariance function. And covariance function is the between the square footage and current home value. So the covariance function is square value is the C4 to C30 and apply the comma and current value E4 to E30. Close bracket, press enter button. So the covariance result and so question number 5 is the complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is enter the function in the cell J30, calculate the correlation between the square footage column C and then current home value column E. Go to the cell is J13. The cell is J13 and insert the correlation function, correl function in the cell J13. Type is equal to and type the correl function and range is D4 to D30 purchase price and current value comma and apply the The E4 to E39 is the current home value column. E4 to E30, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is apply the accounting number for mates to cell J4. Select the cell as J4 and apply the accounting number for mates. Go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and apply the accounting number formats. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a insert the histogram based on the square 40 located in the column C and move the chart so the upper left corner is in a cell G15. Resize the chart so fill the range is G50 to J28. So insert the histogram charts on a located column in a C and move the charts upper left corner list column chart the fill range G50 to J28. So select the column C is squares and square column square foot is located and move the charts insert the histogram charts. Go to the insert tab and go to the charts group, click the recommended charts and click all charts and scroll down and click the histogram charts. So click OK. So insert the histogram charts and move the chart so the upper left corner in the cell J15. Move the charts and paste the chart is G15. And resize the charts G50 to G80. G50 to J28, J28. J28. So question number 8 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.